What is up mga parts? Today is Monday and workout session na po nato karon mga parts. Of course kauban gyud nato si partner. Kay mao gyud niya among gisabutan. Sugod karong panahon na mag-workout gyud min duha. Kay Monday man karon mga parts. Balik ta sa atong pinakaunang workout. And that is the chest workout. And as part of the significant routine, we should not forget the stretching. In this way mga parts, ma-avoid nato mga injuries. Kung ma-perform nato og tarong ang atong mga sets. And after that, let's get a pump.